Objective. Check the car seat model for naked edges. Select the car seat and click the drop-down arrow on the Analyze Direction button. Then, in the pop-up menu, left-click on the Show Edges button to open the Edge Analysis toolset. In the Show Edges pop-up window, set Show to Naked Edges. If you see no edges highlighted between joined surfaces, then the surface is good. Edges on the open sides will highlight. This is okay. Any edges highlighted between surfaces need to be fixed before moving forward. Tip: only join 2 surfaces at a time on a single edge. More than 2 creates non-manifold geometry. Ribs on inflatables and pull tabs on a seat should have a small separation against the other surfaces. Key result: identify that you have a clean poly surface without naked edges at the surface joints.